everyone, and welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley, and I thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to bring everyone some yarny deliciousness. I'm not sure when the sale ends. Today is January 2nd, 2021. It feels kind of weird saying that. I got in on the Joann Yarnormous sale. There's some really good deals going on right now. As of this morning, it was still going off. Like I said, I'm not sure when it ends, but good deals, good deals. I had some Christmas money. Normally, I don't spend it on myself like this. I just don't. Honestly, yarn's the first thing I've kind of ever splurged on for myself, to be quite honest. I don't really, find joy in spending money on myself. I'm always like, oh look, this would be cool for one of the kids. Oh look, this would be cool for my husband. Yarn, however, I finally found something that I can spend my money on. I kind of feel a little guilty sometimes. I ordered this order, and then I ordered a Mary Maxim mystery box, which should be coming in the next couple of days. And my husband, I was talking about what a good deal it is because they have the big twist yarn for $1.99, and they have Karen, Simply Soft, and Red Hearts are 3 for $9. So anyways, I was talking about what a good deal that is, and he's like, well, get back on there and get some more. And I was like, no, I better not. And he's like, you should. He's like, whenever they put it all back to $3, you're gonna wish that you wouldn't. I'm like, okay, you're right. So it's not really an enabler. He's a good husband. So sorry for the crinkles. I haven't opened this yet, and I'm so excited. So, oh my goodness. Oh. You guys want to see if I can do this? It's going to pet me. Oh my. Okay. So, secret time. I've never had the big twist yarn before. So I kind of splurged 2 times over because I spent money that, I guess was extra money because it was Christmas money, but also it's money, so I don't like spending it. But I've never felt it, never looked at it, never anything. So here we go. Oh wow. That is so soft. That's lovely. Okay. So it's big twist. It's 100% acrylic big twist value. There are 380 yards. It says to use a 5mm crochet hook. Oh, it's a 4-weight, medium 4-weight, or a 5mm needle. Wowzers. This is the color Watermelon. How pretty is that? Oh, it's so soft. Okay. So I got Watermelon, and also I have another order of big twist yarn coming sometime. I sprayed the outside. I didn't spray, hang on, sorry. Handy dandy Lysol. I feel real dumb not doing that before. Sorry. I'm gonna wash my hands and all that here in just a minute. Okay. Touched it on my face. Can't believe I did that. So same thing in the color Varsity Red. Oh wow, that is pretty. Varsity Gold. I got this one, the color Taupe, and white, because I want to make a sunflower granny square blanket. So that's what those are for. I'm going to move my trusty handy dandy Lysol. Okay. I got the color Camel. Some of them I just got some extras, so a few of them I had ideas in mind for what I wanted to do, like projects that I have in mind. Some of them I just got to kind of fill my shelves and my stash. They're $1.99, right? I thought it was a good deal, and then I hadn't felt it. I'm so happy that I did this. So happy. So this is also for, yes, this is also for my, no, it's forest green, I think I was going to put this in my blanket, but I'm not sure that I'm going to. I think I'm just going to do the yellows and browns and such. Okay, also a big twist, the color teal. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay. So here's 2 more in the varsity gold. So I got 3 of the varsity gold, except for the blanket. I'm probably going to need to get some extras. I think in my second order I got some more of the brown, the taupe, not brown, but the taupe, and maybe another white. I'm not sure. I think my kiddos are currently at my mama's house, and I think my husband's on his way home to take me off on my way to Joann's again. I'm not sure, but he mentioned doing so. Okay, so anywho, I got these. I'm so excited about these. Okay, the color bubblegum, because I don't know if anybody watches the show Bob's Burgers. That's our family, like, show. We all love that show. My daughter, who is 12, I call her Louise, because she's my Louise. She's just, she's the coolest kid ever. Like, I told her, I was like, man, if I knew you in school, you'd be too cool to hang out with me. She's just like, she's an artist. She's hip in her music taste. She loves everything. I mean, she's quick-witted, beyond her years. Anyways, so I'm going to use the color bubblegum, and some plastic canvas that I have, and I'm going to make her a Louise Belcher hat with the ears and the whole thing, and I'm so excited. Okay, maybe that'll stay. Okay, so that's all for the big twist. I am stoked. They're so pretty and vibrant and soft. I had no idea that it would be this soft. That's exciting. Okay, so also I got 2 Mandala Cakes. I believe they were $3.99. Don't hold me to that. I think they were $3.99. Okay, I got the color Sirens. That isn't the pretty side there. That side's prettier. Okay, that's what it looks like. Excuse me. It is a light 3-weight. There are 590 yards. I got that one, and let me make sure this one's also just a Mandala cake. Yep. Okay. Good. Also 590 yards. The color Peacock. These are like all of my favorite colors. I love baby blue is my favorite, but I love purples and blues and greens, black. There's not any black in that, but I like all of those colors. So pretty. Okay, so that's how it works up. And I think I'm going to do, I don't know, probably just some fun shawls. I dropped it on the ground. Probably some fun shawls or something. I'm not really sure. We'll see. We'll see. Add to my collection. Okay. And then they had, like I mentioned before, they had their Karen Simply Soft, excuse me, 3 for $9, and also the Red Heart Super Saver, 3 for $9. So I got this color that I've looked at for a while. I'm not a real big fan of Karen Simply Soft, but they have some pretty colors, and this is one of them, I think, in my personal opinion. So this is the color Rainbow Bright. Come on, 80s children. Rainbow Bright. Okay. Anyway, it is 100% acrylic. It's a medium 4-weight, 5mm crochet hook, or 5mm needles. There's approximately 235 yards. Oh, look at all those pretty colors. Yep, I like that. So I have 3 of those. Yay. And then, oh no, my yarn's coming out. Okay. This is the Red Heart Super Saver Pooling. These were $2.95, I believe. And it's the color Stillwater. I live in Oklahoma, so go Pokes. Stillwater is a very cool town. And no, that's not what this means, but that's okay. Let's see. It is a 4-weight, 236 yards, and it suggests you use a 5mm crochet hook. Isn't that pretty? It's kind of more pastel in there, maybe. It's more pastel than it's showing. Okay, and then last but not least, for this haul anyway, I got the Lion Brand Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling. I've never tried this before, and I've always wanted to. I think it's really pretty. This is the color South Wind. There are 153 yards. It's a medium 4-weight, and it suggests you use a 5mm hook or needle. I think that's all the info. It's just really pretty, like a navy, some browns, off-white, kind of a pretty teal. I don't know, there's some really pretty colors. Anywho, I have to say, first, I wish I had my hand sanitizer, number one. Number two, I absolutely love everything that I got. I'm so excited. I think it was like, oh, I also got free shipping. I failed to mention that. So the yarns were $1.99, 3 for $9, $2.95-ish, $3, whatever, $3.99 I think for the cakes. And I got free shipping. That's amazing. So anyway, if you see this, it's still going on. Be sure and check out the Yarnormous sale. So I have a Mary Maxim unboxing coming up, and another one of these guys, which I'm super excited about, my Joanne yarn. The next one is almost, I think it's all Big Twist. I am excited to work with this and see what happens, what I can make. A pretty blanket, my baby girl's hat. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I thank you guys so much for joining me, and especially watching the end of my Joanne haul ramblings, I guess. Stay safe. I hope you all have a very, very blessed day. Thank you for watching. Bye.